Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will want to show you one website. I have shown you this website earlier also, but they have come up with some very useful information in the form of dashboards in the website, which I wanted to show you. In sites like CoinMarketCap, you might have come across these, where you have this change in 24-hour price, market capitalization, volume, circulation, supply, all those things. But there are a few other information which is very useful, like top gainers in the last 24 hours. These are the top gainers and top losers in the top 24 hours. This again you might see in some exchanges like Binance, but there are a few other information which is very useful, like market states visualization. You can see Ethereum, ARA, and other currencies there. What is the state of these cryptocurrencies in the market? Then you see new all-time highs. Which coins are creating new all-time highs? Which coins are creating new all-time lows? So this gives you a volatility, how much volatile these ones are. And unusual volume is again another information that shows you heavy buying or heavy selling. So that information is again useful. Then you can see current average return since IDO initial DEX offering. So which ones are, so projects like Gamify are giving high rate of interest on since their launch. So upcoming token sales, which are the tokens that is selling highest in the market, which is upcoming in the market. Current return since initial exchange offering of various exchange platforms. Then you can see average return of ICO by category, where the DeFi is making around 9.56%. Blockchain infrastructure projects have been doing well. Cloud storage ones are doing well. Cloud computing are doing well. Healthcare, business, and all those things are not doing that great. Gaming is doing quite great. So these industries you can find out. 24-hour BTC futures volume, BTC futures open interest by exchange. This information can be tracked. And apart from these, there is other information also which I have shown you earlier. That is all-time high. You can find out all the projects which are far away from their all-time high. So these projects are 100% from the all-time high, but you can filter it and remove the some projects which are not which are very low market caps, which we shouldn't be considering. So let's put 1 billion to less than 100 billion market cap. And after filtering the filter, you have to put apply. Now you see these projects 97.6% down. Zcash, ICP, which has been down like 93.5%. So you can see other coins like Filecoin, which has been down like 87.6%. Or you can just put percentage to all-time high. You see the prices, how much it's down from their all-time highs. Based on this, if you want, you can accumulate these stocks, cryptocurrencies. You can stock these cryptocurrencies. You can see even the Polkadot is almost halfway down. I hope this information is useful, and thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.